KODS, affiliated to Zhiguang Precision Tools Company Limited, located in Jiaxing City, Zhejiang Province, is a professional company specializing in the R&D and production of high-end saw blades. With 500 employees and over 1,000 pieces of advanced precision equipment, the company covers an area of 30,000 square meters and has a total investment of more than $100 million. With an annual production capacity exceeding 1 million pieces, our products are exported to more than 60 countries worldwide. After nearly 20 years of development, the company has transformed into an intelligent digital factory, earning multiple honors and holding more than 50 patents for inventions. With our unique isothermal heat treatment process, we achieve superior mechanical property and fatigue resistance, boosting core performance by a remarkable 80%. The advanced waste entry technology provides unwavering stability when cutting. Meanwhile, our high-precision grinding techniques take cutting accuracy to the next level. The innovative nano-composite ultra-hard coating technology substantially extends the product's lifespan. In production, every process strictly complies with ISO 9001 international standard. We utilize top-notch automated equipment to guarantee precision and consistency in each and every product. At KODS, we perform comprehensive testing and quality control on each product to ensure a 100% pass rate before shipment. We don't just manufacture tools, we create value and lead the industry forward.